Klein Tools 27-in-1 precision screwdriver. Now this has been on the market for a while, but I've never had one. I've looked at it. I'm putting together like a mini kit to work on some basic locks, and this Klein is the 14-in-1. This is just too big for the little case I want to do. So I've decided to go for this. So 27-in-1. So it's considerably lighter. It doesn't take the regular bits. These are 3.5 millimeter bits, and they've got two different sizes on each side, and there's a whole pile of them here, and they all fit. So this is 27-in-1, semi-proprietary. It's not like you can use your other bits in this at all, but it has all the most popular bits. This is I'll show you a couple more videos where I'm using this, but here's my Klein. This is a 14-in-1. I think they make a 27-in-1 as well. So this one comes apart this way, but it takes standard bits. I've done a video on this one, and this one's got some nice options. So it's real, it's quite good in the case, but I needed something slimmer that can do a wide variety of bits. Bits included Phillips, flatheads, some hexes, some tamper hexes, and some Torx and tamper Torxes. So the bottom line is, it's good. I'm going to show you putting it in my case. I'm actually going to put this in. I may buy a second one because I have a case just for my change keys for my safe. So I have safe change keys. I want this to go in that kit. And my little pack out I did, the Veto, I did a recent video on it. I want to throw some of the most popular tools in that. So you're going to see it in a few more things. So this is my Veto SC-45, and this is my pick case. And I have another one that I'm putting together as a safe combination change. This is just too big, and a lot of my screwdrivers. So that's why I'm thinking of buying a second one, because look at that. It just fits in, 27-in-1, and it'll hold a few of my other ones. And this is my pick case. I'm going to make the same thing for my safe change case, and you'll see that soon. I bought a second one. I really like this because, this is, and I just want to get more little tools in here to make it easier to use. So that's what I bought the Klein for, 27-in-1, but I think I'm going to buy another one for my safe case. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.